This is the 28-day Chemistry Regents Review Challenge. We're into week 3. This is days 14 through 20. 2 weeks have gone by already where I put up 2 playlists of videos for week 1 and for week 2 for you to get yourself ready for the June 2019 Chemistry Regents, which is fast approaching on the 25th. So here we are at week 3. I'm going to show you the playlist, and then all you have to do is just follow the videos from here. It's getting closer and closer. Pay close attention. Have your notes out. Jot things down that you have forgotten that you want to remember. Learn from your mistakes and keep going. This week is a review of some of the more recent units you probably did in your chemistry class, including solutions, kinetics and equilibrium, acids, bases, redox, and electrochemistry, which I forgot to put the word there, nuclear, meaning nuclear chemistry, and all the Regents chemistry math questions. I do have to do the video relating to organic chemistry. That'll be up in the final week, week 4, along with the June 2018 and January 2019 Regents you should be working on. Remember, this is in addition to whatever you're doing in class, whatever your teacher asks you to do. I don't really care how you do it, but you got to be studying for this chemistry Regents, and I'm here with this YouTube channel to help you along. Keep working hard. Good luck.